So I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to restore the default font. So that means the default font style and the default font size. Now, simply go to Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Display, tap on that. And then under Display, scroll all the way to the font section, and then let's start with font style. So when you tap on font style, if you go to the top of the list, you should see default. So select that, and that's going to restore the default font style. And then in the font size section, tap on that, and the default font size is the third one. So 1, 2, 3. So we're currently on fourth one. So let's tap on minus to go back one step, and you can even see it says default right at the bottom there. So that's the default font size. And then also, of course, you have to disable bold font. And that's basically how to go back to the default font of your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.